Thank you for watching. It was a beginner level course and it ends here. I have uploaded the complete source code. You can find the link in the description. Android builds are also uploaded. You can get the link to those as well. And big thanks to Patreon for this support. We have been able to create incredible content, explore new idea and take this channel to new heights. Your contribution have made a real difference in helping us and grow and improve. Again, thank you so much. In the next few couple of videos, we will be covering one topic in one video. For example, how to read and write on a CSV or a text file, how we can utilize Navmesh, VFX graphs and other AR related advanced topics. And please do let me know in the comment section which are the Unity features you are utilizing in 2024.